Pop quiz. You're a passenger during a traffic stop. Can you walk away? Do you have to give ID? And can they search your bag? I'm an attorney. In 8 minutes, I'll give you the rules that matter, the police tricks to expect, and 3 lines that keep you safe. First, can you walk away? Number. During a lawful stop, you are seized with the car. You generally must stay put until the stop ends, and you can challenge an illegal stop the same as the driver. Second, can the officer order you out? Yes. For safety, officers may order passengers to step out or remain inside. That order does not force you to answer questions. Third, can they frisk you? Only with reasonable suspicion that you are armed and dangerous. A safety order is not a free path to a pat-down. Now the ID issue. Whether you must give a name depends on your state's stop and identify law. If such a law applies during a lawful detention, stating a name can be required. In many states, there is no duty absent another law or reasonable suspicion tied to you. Timing matters. Officers cannot prolong the stop to fish for passenger information unless new reasonable suspicion develops. Finish the mission. Documents, citation, safety. Then the stop should end. What about your bag? Your closed backpack or purse is your property. A driver's consent usually does not extend to your closed container without common authority. If police have probable cause, the automobile exception can permit a search of passenger containers. If they don't, your refusal stands. Here are newer tactics to expect and how to beat them. ID fishing. Everyone's IDs. Ask, am I being detained? Or am I free to leave? If you're not detained, you can decline. Two-step release. The official stop ends, then the officer casually re-engages. At that point, it's a consensual encounter. You can walk away or repeat, I don't consent to questions. Common authority bluff. Officer points to the driver's consent and reaches for your bag. State clearly, that's my bag, and I do not consent to any search of my property. Screenshot these lines. Am I being detained or am I free to leave? I'm not answering questions. I do not consent to any search of my person or my property. If they say you're detained, ask, for what reason, and then stop talking. Keep your hands visible, move slowly, and record from a safe distance without interfering. Rapid recap. You are seized with the car and may be ordered out for safety. A frisk requires reasonable suspicion that you are armed and dangerous. Name duties vary by state. Time cannot be dragged without new, reasonable suspicion. Your bag needs your consent unless there is probable cause. These rules are designed to keep everyone safer and to keep good cases clean. Use calm words, visible hands, and a short memory for small talk. Have you been a passenger during a stop? Tell me what happened, and I'll cite the cases in a follow-up. Save this video and watch our Traffic Stop Rights playlist next. Laws vary by state. This is educational, not legal advice.